today's video, I'm going to be bringing you my newly formulated shampoo and conditioner collection. So this is a project that's been in the works for quite a while now, and I'm super excited to finally share with you a beautiful solution to cleanse and nourish your hair and stimulate your senses. You guys know my love and appreciation for Salon and Aura hair care. Salon is customizable at-home salon quality color, and Aura Hair Care is their sister line that does shampoo, conditioners, and super nourishing masks. So last year when Aura Hair Care was launched, I of course customized my own concoction that was going to take care of my personal hair care needs. Well, since that, in doing my virtual consults, I've gotten so many questions about how do I order so that I get your exact formulation. And honestly, when I started using it at home, a little over a year today, I knew how incredible this formulation was, and I knew how incredible this would work for many hair types, even though this was my personalized formula. So with my huge trust in Aura Hair Care ingredients and products and how everything is made, I knew that I needed to create something for my audience and subscribers that would take care of all of their hair care needs. Both as a hairdresser and being here on YouTube, I know what the hair challenges are and all the different hair types and what you are needing and basically what the beauty space is lacking for hair. So I got to work and decided to create 4 different collections that were going to target the 4 major hair needs. And so I present you the Aura and ellebangs collection. So the first set I created was the original. This is what I formulated for myself, and I named this one Berlin Blonde. I gave each one a name, making it so much easier to identify which set is right for you. So the Berlin Blonde set is targeted to repair, smooth, and moisturize the hair. Typically blondes are over processed, they can be a little bit dry. So normally most shampoos that are hydrating for the hair, they have 1 to 2 components that will help hydrate the hair. This one is targeting the 3 major hair needs, which is the repair, smooth, and moisturize. The repair, of course, for obvious reasons. The smoothness, blonde just absolutely thrives when it is smooth and frizz-free, so I wanted to add that. And then of course, moisture, because you want the hair to feel silky along with looking shiny and luscious. Each set also has a different scent that I've formulated to further enhance the experience, and it chose scents that I believed really went with what the product is delivering. So this one comes in Moonlight Stroll, and I would describe it as a very sexy kind of evening, but not overly perfumey smell. The conditioner also comes neutralized with a purple pigment, which is going to keep your blonde beautifully toned every time you shampoo and condition your hair. And the fact that it's in the conditioner is going to keep your hair absolutely looking luscious and hydrated. And of course, each collection comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a nourishing mask. All right, the next collection I created is California Curls. And throughout my career, the amount of questions and need for not only curl enhancing products, but also products that are just going to make the curls you already have just more defined, frizz-free, and just overall make your curls look polished without making them look over-treated or super heavy. My mom naturally has curly hair, and she was the first person I tried this out on, and she absolutely loved it. Also keep in mind all the collections that I created, they were all tested by the Aura team to ensure in fact that this collection is going to suit the issues targeted on the bottle. So for this set, it's going to add moisture, enhance the curls, and create smoothness from root to ends, which is one of the major things that you are really looking for in a curl shampoo and conditioner. And so many times I get asked for like a mousse or a styling product for curly hair. And the truth is you really want to treat the hair type that you have in the shower and not just use whatever shampoo conditioner in the shower and then try to treat it when you're about to style it. So when creating these collections, I absolutely knew that a curl line needed to exist in this collection, and I am super proud and happy to have created a formula that really is going to target all those beautiful curly babes out there. And the scent for California Curls is Botanical Dream. I just feel like this scent is very natural. And so my inspiration for a curly haired goddess was someone who was very natural in the absolute best way. And I feel like the scent totally reflects that. And of course, this collection, California Curls, also comes in a shampoo, a conditioner, and the nourishing mask. All right, the next set is Brooklyn Brunette. I absolutely could not create a collection without having a system for brunettes. Now, when I started creating this was before I was more brunette myself. And now that I've gone over to the darker side, I have been able to try this out myself. And I absolutely love that this one also comes pigmented, but with the correct tones for brunettes, which I think is also something that is totally missing in the hair industry. So for this collection, the target is to repair, to moisturize, and to smooth. This set will also work if you have red hair or any color treated hair. And the scent for this one is Island Revere. And this is probably one of my favorite scents in the entire collection, but it is just perfectly made for the brunette collection. I don't think this scent would fit any of the other sets. And it's just edgy, it's cool, but it's sweet and feminine, basically like all my brunette friends. And of course, the set includes the shampoo, the conditioner, and the nourishing mask. You can buy each component individually, or you can get an additional massive discount when you buy the entire set. All right, and the last set I created is a Valley Volume. And again, another hair issue that is quite difficult to treat once you wait until the styling portion of your hair care. In the salon, I would typically ask clients what their biggest challenge was with their hair. If at the beginning of the appointment they mentioned that they struggled getting volume in their hair, I knew that I would always go in with a volumizing shampoo and conditioner rather than something a little bit heavier. And now I've tried a lot of products that actually deliver good volume, but the tricky part is always to deliver volume but still hydrate the hair. And that was absolutely one of my favorite things in creating my personal set, was that my blonde hair felt really hydrated and nourished, but it felt light and voluminous. And I knew that if they could create a formula like that for my hair type, I knew that I could create something that would enhance even more volume. And so I created a Valley Volume. Now this one, not only will it volumize your hair, it also has scalp care in it. Another major hair issue that doesn't get talked about enough, and I feel like there isn't really products out there that treat scalp issues in a sexy way. And so the scent that I chose for this one is Sparkling Essence. I don't know how else to describe it, but it smells like volume. This one's going to make your scalp feel fresh and amazing, but not in a drying kind of way, how some volumizing products can do. This is going to leave your hair hydrated, yet volumized. And of course, just like the other sets, there's a shampoo, a conditioner, and a hydrating mask. So if you have any questions on which one you think would be right for you, I personally think that the collection I have created has made it super simple for you to target, oh, that's definitely my hair type, that's definitely what I need. And that was the whole point in creating something that I feel like is condensed enough so that it's not super overwhelming and I'm not bringing you 100 products, but yet it's still really going to hone in and target your hair issue. But if you do have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm happy to help you figure out which type and set would be best for you. And again, like I mentioned, you're able to buy each product individually if you'd like, but of course you get a massive savings if you order this set. So when you click the link in the description box, it takes you straight to our shopping page where you can see the 4 sets. But this feels so good to finally share with you guys, and I absolutely cannot wait for you guys to try it. Also, if you want to learn more about your hair type and what hair tone works best for your skin tone, what your skin tone is, I've created a super simple online beauty masterclass that you can join today. I will leave details for that in the description box down below. And anytime that I mention it here on YouTube, I will share a super special discount link that is unique to YouTube only as a thank you to my subscribers and the 10-year anniversary of this channel. So if you learned a lot on my channel and you want to go a little bit further, and you want to take a class that's going to elevate your beauty routine and increase your inner confidence, I highly suggest you check out Live and Look Luxe, my online beauty masterclass. All right, guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to all who have been here since I was living in my teeny tiny San Francisco apartment to now a baby later and a beautiful shampoo and conditioner collection, which is out. I absolutely cannot wait until you guys get your hands on these, and I can't wait to hear about your experience using these products. So anyway, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.